This Sakura Mochi is easy to make with simple ingredients and just one frying pan. It's the easiest recipe but one of the most traditional. And let me show you the full bloom of cherry blossom in my house. Let's get started. Let's start with the key ingredients that gives Sakura Mochi's signature aroma and look, the sakura leaves. These have a stronger and more distinct aroma, something unique only to sakura. Soak them in water for 10 minutes, change the water, and soak for another 10 minutes to mellow the saltiness. Take that out and put on the paper towel to remove the excess moisture. If you don't have a sakura leaves, don't worry if you cannot find them. You can still make a delicious and adorable Sakura Mochi without them. Now let's make a mochi batter. We'll mix mochiko and all-purpose flour, sugar, and water until smooth. Then add just a tiny drops of red food coloring to give it a soft sakura pink hue. Heat a non-stick frying pan over low heat. Grease it lightly, and only a touch of the oil is enough. If you add too much, the batter will fry, becoming crispy and dry. But what we want here is soft, chewy texture, almost like a thin layer of mochi. Pour a large spoonful of butter into the pan and gently spread it with the back of your spoon into the oval shape about 2 inches by 4 inches. Cook until the surface dries and edges begin to lift. Flip it over and cook briefly for 10 to 20 seconds until set. Now let's put everything together. Take one crepe and place a small log of sweet red bean paste in the center. Gently fold one side of the crepe over the bean paste and roll it up like a small sushi, and place it in the seed side down. And for the final touch, wrap the rolled mochi with the prepared sakura leaf, shiny side out. You can leave it naked and it's still pretty. And your Sakura Mochi is ready to serve. When everything comes together, you get the soft, slightly chewy crepe wrapped around sweet red bean paste. At the first bite, you notice the delicate floral aroma of the leaf, followed by the gentle sweetness of the mochi and red bean paste. The light saltiness from the leaf enhances the sweetness, creating the perfect balance of flavors. Not too sweet, not too salty, but refreshingly light and satisfying. It's a little taste of Japanese spring in your mouth. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!